Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to verify app and internet connection is required to verify trust of developer. So guys, if you have this type of problem on your iPhone, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, and guys make sure that you have connected with Wi-Fi. So guys, if connected and facing this type of issue again, then guys you need to go back, and guys simply you need to click on screen time, and guys after this you need to click on content and privacy restrictions, and guys you need to click on allow apps, and guys make sure Safari is allow. So guys, if don't allow, then you need to make it allow, and after doing this you need to go back and open your settings again, click on general, and guys you need to make sure that date is set automatically, and after doing this you need to go back, scroll it down, click on VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected. So guys, if connected, then you need to disconnect it, and guys after doing this you need to go back and guys open your transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset network settings, and after doing this simply you need to go back, and guys you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. Your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.